In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly pro tips for faster form creation. To get started, open your browser, go to the Formly website, and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, select Create Form. This is where the fastest workflow begins. You'll usually see a few different ways to build your form. If the AI form builder is available, choose that option. It's one of the quickest ways to get a strong first draft because instead of building every question one by one, you can start with a simple description and let Formly generate the structure for you. In the description box, type a short explanation of the form you want to make. For example, you could enter something like create a customer feedback form with questions about experience, satisfaction, and suggestions. Then submit it and give Formly a moment to generate the initial version. Once the form appears, take time to review the AI generated questions carefully. Remove anything you don't need, adjust wording that feels unclear, and add any missing questions. This review step is important because even when AI saves time, you still want the final form to match your exact goal. At this point, if you want to try Formly yourself, check out the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to get started quickly. Now let's keep building. To add more questions, use the plus icon and choose the right question type for each field. Common options include short text, long text, email, multiple choice, drop down, and rating. Try to keep your questions short, clear, and easy to answer, because that usually leads to better completion rates. Next, mark important fields as required. Select the questions that must be answered and enable the required option. Be selective here. If you make too many fields mandatory, the form can feel longer and more frustrating to complete. You can also add conditional logic to make the form smarter. Choose a question that controls what someone sees next, then create a simple branch. For example, if someone selects yes, show a follow-up question. If they select no, skip it. This keeps the experience more relevant and faster for respondents. Now open the design or customization area. Pick a layout or theme that fits your project, add a logo if needed, and adjust the colors to match your brand. Keep the design simple so you don't spend more time styling than creating. Add a short welcome message that explains the purpose of the form and what respondents can expect. Then customize the thank you message so users know their response was submitted successfully. Before publishing, click Preview and complete the form from start to finish. Check the formatting, required fields, wording, and logic. Then submit a test response. Return to the dashboard, open the results section, and confirm the response was recorded. When everything looks good, click Publish and copy the form URL so you can share it with the respondents. Finally, open the finished published form, scroll through it from the respondent's perspective, and compare it with the blank starting point to see how quickly it all came together.